Video on just the 5.9 diesel engine. Actually, it's the 24 valve turbo diesel. So I'm just going to give you a quick review of some of the parts where they are, just in case you may need a quick review video of how things are set up. Never know when you need a review video. For various reasons, you're putting something together. Every once in a while, I use these videos, or I look for videos on YouTube for the same purpose. Okay guys, there you go. Take it easy.